Barkinbau Burame Kasika Jang Swami Vivekananda, Nakalianka Office District Sports Officer, Regat Bakamegalai AIDS Control Society, Hakakar Arderek, Ukalalinkot Arja Arpway, Kalapalong Gajiraki Bakarpang, Yakabla Tipkum National Youth Day, Yakabla Palong Hapoka District Library, Hanongpo. Yakari Gajiraki Kasikarpang Kikun Samla, Office DSO Kalapalong Naka Program Seminar, Kablong Kaway na Kibenta, Badia Palujim Mud Halor Kimat Kibakongsan, Kibe Day Kikun Samla, Lingba Kapang Pedeng Balajir Kerpang, Channelizing Youth's Power for Nation Building, Hakabalawan Manajing Krandling Bak Resource Person Kibakintup, Napo Kamegalai AIDS Control Society, but Father Michael Makri. Lawan Berpichkai Lang Hakaning Singi de Kong RM Kurba, Deputy Commissioner Kariboy District, Ibralong Kumikongsan, Uba PM Marbanyang DSO, Ikong Rida Lindem, Program Coordinator, Nalor Kibe Kibe de Kinomi Command Kamegalai AIDS Control Society.
If we have strong and resourceful youth, we will definitely have a strong district. I will not say country as of now. We want to build up this district, and you have a very important role to play in doing that. Okay? I really would appreciate if any one of you would bring a change to this district, and I'm open to suggestions. Any one of you can give me suggestions on how to improve, our district. I would value that suggestion and take it up and take it on me to ensure that these things takes place. Okay, each one of you are important. So please help us to help you. Okay, we all have a responsibility to make this place better.